But we did make it into the mid-80s earlier in the day, and today, of course, that was just not the case. The cold front that came through yesterday, you knew when it came through because of that wind. And today, it's still been a little breezy, but the wind is already subsiding quite a bit. You're going to notice a big difference tomorrow morning. It's still going to be cold, but there's not going to be that wind chill. Today, we only made it to 46 degrees after starting out at just 30 this morning at DFW. And normally this time of year, high should be in the mid 50s. We were, of course, rain free today. We have been rain free for quite a while. In fact, we are now one of the driest Decembers on record. Back in 1950 at DFW, we only had a trace of rain. In 1908, we had 3/100ths of an inch of rain. In 1925, 4/100ths of an inch of rain. 1917, 5/100ths. 1922, 0.06. This year, just 0.08. So we are going to go down as the 6th driest December on record because I do not have any more rain in the forecast, not only for the next couple of days, but as we get into the new year as well. Right now, we're seeing more of a partly cloudy sky and it's chilly. It's 40 degrees. We still have a fairly light wind coming in out of the north-northwest. We've already dropped down to 35 in Denton, 35 in Decatur, 37 in Greenville, 40 right now in Waxahachie. Satellite and radar showing all the cloud cover that we currently do have. Now, we do definitely have a few breaks in there, but a little bit of light rain well to the south, everything moving across the metroplex that didn't actually hit the ground. Tonight, though, we're staying quiet. Clouds will decrease. The wind is going to become even lighter. So tomorrow morning, we're dropping down to 29 degrees in Dallas, 28 in Denton, 26 in McKinney, 28 degrees tomorrow morning in Fort Worth. So it's going to be another cold start to the day. But tomorrow afternoon, temperatures warmer than today, but still below normal. The normal being 56. We're going to go with a high of 51 in downtown Dallas. Also a 51 in Denton, a 53 over in Granbury, 49 tomorrow afternoon in Greenville. Temperatures make it back into the 60s, though, for your New Year's Eve. On New Year's Day, we're looking at a high of 68 degrees. That's going to be 12 degrees above normal. We stay in the upper 60s on Friday. A weak cool front comes in sometime on Friday, so we drop down into the mid 60s on Saturday, but that's still 8 degrees above normal, and we're back in the upper 60s by the end of the weekend. For planning out your New Year's Eve evening, it's going to be cool, but it's also going to be dry, and we're going to have a light wind. Temperatures in the upper 40s by midnight. Tonight, though, we're dropping down into the upper 20s. Tomorrow afternoon, lots of sun, temperatures in the low 50s with a light wind eventually shifting to the south. We're back in the 60s after tomorrow. We're going to stay in the 60s for the next several days after that. The second half of that 14-day, though, you see some more 50s in there, so we are starting to trend cooler. One thing's for sure, though, it's been so dry around here in these next couple of weeks, I still don't have a single chance of rain.